In this video, we'll talk about Java introduction. So Java, Java development. Java is an introduction. Java is an object-oriented and class-based, concurrent, secure and central purpose of computer programming language here. So this is application development, game development, API integration, application support, mobile app design, and J2E enterprise and JUI development here. So Java is a high level and robust object oriented and secure programming language. And what is Java? Java is a programming language and platform. So what is platform means any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is known as a platform. And coming to here application. So according to some 3 billion devices run Java. There are many devices where Java is currently used. Coming to here desktop applications, mobile application and Java CMS services, Java web services development, Java application migration and integration, Java application maintenance support, Java web application development like here. There are mainly 4 types of applications that can be created by using Java programming. Coming to the standard application and web application. So web application. So what is a standard application is also known as a desktop applications, and Windows-based applications. These are traditional software that we need to install on every machine. Examples of standard applications are media players, antiviruses, etc. So coming to web application, an application is that runs on the server side and creates a dynamic page is called as a web application. So currently JSP, Struct, Spring, Hibernate, JSF, etc. So coming to enterprise application, an application that is a desktop in So Java enterprise application development such as banking applications, etc. It has advantage of high level security and it is easy being used to creating enterprise applications also. Coming to mobile application here, an application which is created for mobile devices is called as mobile applications. Currently Android and Java ME are used to create mobile applications. So likewise platform also, there are 4 platforms: Java SE and Java Enterprise Edition, Java Micro Edition and Java FX also. So what is the Java Standard Edition platform? It includes Java programming APIs such as java.long and Java input-output package, java.net, java.util and java.sql, java.math, etc. It includes current topics like object-oriented programming, strings, exceptions, inner classes, multi-threading, input-output string, here, I guess, collections, etc. Coming to Java Enterprise Edition, it is a enterprise platform which is mainly used to develop web and enterprise application like servlet, JSP, web services topics. Coming to Java Micro Edition, it micro platform which is mainly used to develop mobile applications. It is used to like Java FX also. So next topic is Java version history. Java was originally designed for interacting television, and but it is too advanced technology for the digital cable television industry at the time. The principle of creating Java programming were simple, robust, portable, platform independent, secure and high performance, multi-threaded and object-oriented, interpreted and dynamic. So currently Java used to internet programming, so mobile devices, games, e-business solutions, etc. And there are given the significant points that disturb the history of Java. First of all, here open the JDK history. 2006, sorry, 2006 Sun launches Open JDK Java C hotspot, and 2007 here rest of Open JDK is released like that. Coming to the many Java versions have been released till now. The current stable release of Java is 11. Like that here, Java version over time. And coming here, features of Java.